This is the 1992 Ford Econoline 150. Starts up with no problems. No lights are on. The vehicle has 118,000 miles. So the special thing about this vehicle is that it has a handicap lift. It's made by the Braun Corporation. Now, in order to get this lift to work, we have to open up the door all the way, because there's a switch down here, which once that switch is fully pushed in, then we can work the lift. We have our remote here. Now it's a two-stage. It'll come down to this and stop, and then we press it again. We have the door open. We'll just hop inside, show you inside real quick. Over here we have two wheelchair securements. Also have the shoulder strap. And then over here we have two more securements. Very nice and clean back seat. You can over here also is a TV. However, I don't know if it's hooked up or not, because we're not getting any power. Looks like there's a cable wire to hook up to the TV. And there's also another compartment back here. Okay. So we're gonna step out and put the lift back in. Remember, we gotta hold the door all the way open to activate the switch. Now this is going to be the same as it went down. It's going to go in a two-stage process. It'll stop here. You would unload your passenger and then Let's take a walk around the outside. Over here, a little hard to tell, but there are a few low spots, right? 3 low spots here, here, and here. Another one right here, but it hasn't damaged the paint. You can see the pinstripe is showing age. It's got some cracking. Small chip right here. On the door here, you can see on the pinstripe again, is chipping. On the top here, you can see the pinstripe is fading. Back here on the bumper, you see there's a small dent. Also again here in the pinstriping, it is a little chipped. A few scratches right here. You see some scratches in the paint down here. Passenger seat, very good condition. It's nice and clean. Also has the armrest, so it's very comfortable. Driver's seat, very good condition. Nice and clean. And again, has the armrests. Let's show you the engine real quick. Engine appears to be running nice and smooth. check our lights. Also, as we go around checking the lights, I have this tool here, which is going to measure the tire tread. It measures it in 30 seconds of an inch. So this tire is going to be at 9/32 of an inch. Headlights are working. Right turn signal. Let's check our next tire, which is also at 9/32. So this tire is going to be at 13:30. Running lights and right turn signal. And this tire is going to be at 9/30 of tread. One more turn. Left turn. And our front left turn. Radio works. Try the AC. So the AC, it is blown out nice and cold. Check the heat real quick. And the heat too is blown out hot. Okay. All right. So we are ready for a test drive. Problems with reverse. So far, drive is feeling good. As I shifted out of park into reverse and into drive, transmission shifted very smoothly without hesitation or noises. Brakes feel good. acceleration. There's no problems getting up to speed. Cruise control is working, holding the speed nice and steady. Okay, so that was the 1992 Ford Econoline 150. I hope this video has answered any questions you have about the vehicle. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click that bell for notifications. Also, you can check the description below for a link to our website where you can view the rest of our inventory. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.